Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox this book. This is new, I just bought this one right now. Now, it's time for me to open. We need using cutter. So, as you can see. Alright, it's been cut. Now let's open it. Because after you open this book, you will saw this. Here it is. There's one instruction. This is the instruction, this one. Instruction. You can help you build any set, this one. Can help you build any set. Now, let's read. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 packs. Now we're gonna start to open the packs now. These are the back are the white and the grays. There's also like this. Alright. Now, here we have it. Guys, if you find like this, you need to find like this. This one you might have to wait first. It's like, this one is like a wheel, this one. It's like a wheel. This one could be like, maybe help. It's like help you bring things, maybe this one. This one could be used for this. This one. Oh look, now it can rotate. This one also the same thing, this one. We need to find first where... This is like a wheel, this one. No, not this one. This one. There are more. This one could be like a remote, this one. This looks like a remote. This one is a door, this one. This is a door. Now this one will back. This one it could be help like a wheel. This one it can be look like make like a car. This one. All right, that's all the back. That's all the back of the white one. Now we need to remove it of this. Now let's open the black one. This one is look like a fan. Now this is the wheel on this one, car wheel. You just had to do like this. There are 4 of them. There it is. These are all the wheels. Now this one is the tiny wheel which is for this one. Right, yeah, that's it. There we go. There's actually another one. Ah, here it is. Here's the other one. This one. There we go. This could be like a helicopter. The back one. This one. Alright, that's all the back of the black one. Now let's remove all this one first. Here. Now let's open this one. We might need to use speaker this one. Here we go. Here we go. And here it is. This is the door, this one. Door. You found this one. Need to attach it first with like this. And then there's also this one. Need to open it first. Here we go. Okay, so these are the packs. This one. The door. Okay. And that's not all. There's still more of this one. Next one is gonna be this. Oh, there we go. Now, this is the tool if you can help if you did something wrong using this tool. Alright. And now we just need to open this one. Alright, time to open it. This looks like mixed with pink and purple, this one. Ooh, look at this. This is gonna be new, this one. Yeah, and then the last one is the Google Eyes. Google Eyes is this one. Alright, so these are all the Legos from the new pack that I just brought it today. That's all. Okay. Goodbye.